what is the height of this tree? Let's say this tree. I'm talking about this tree right now. Sorry, I'm talking about the down tree. Let's say I'm talking about this tree. What is the height of this tree? It will be the maximum means maximum length from down, from up to down. Let's say if I am starting my height from 1, 2, 3, it will be maximum up to which depth I can go. Okay, it will be 3 in this case. Although in some cases you will see that it will start from 0. If it start from 0, it will be 2. If it start from 1, it will be 3. Okay, how you can know by the program means how you can design a function for that so that I can get the height of tree at every point. Let's say one more data is there. Let's say 50 is there. The height of this tree will be 50. So height of this tree will be 4 now. Okay, can somebody quickly explain, or if you have means can you share what is the using queues? Yes, you can do using queues. How will you do using queues? Bundy, by level order. Yes, you can do it by level order, Sri. Of course. Yes. Bunty, if you would have said that using stacks, it, for me, I can means understand for using stack, I can do that. But using queues, I also don't know if you have means the code how you can do it using queues. If you're using if you're doing it using queues, you can do it by level order traversal. Yes, you can do it by level order traversal. But you can do it with the help of recursion as well. So for the recursion, let's say I'm going to explain the concept. No, in level order we use QWrite. Yes, we use QWrite. I got it. Thank you. So if I'm talking, yes, you can do that. You can traverse it level order, and you can do that. Means what is the maximum height of this tree? Means what is the height of this tree? Yes, deleting is also big of n in BST because yes, it will be in the right skewed or left skewed subtree. It can be big of n. Let's say it is having 10, 13, and 15 here only. If I want to delete 15, I have to go from 10 to 13 to 15 here. Okay, it will be big of n. So if I was talking about the height of the tree, how we'll get the height of this tree? Let's say again, if I'm talking about the recursion solution for level order traversal, I think you can do that because we have already talked about that. For this, what I need to do, let's say I come here, the root node is being passed, and it is saying that I know my height, that I am 1, and please check for my left subtree and right subtree, and whatever they are saying, please count the maximum, means please check who is the maximum and add +1, and this is the height of my tree. Okay, I will go to 20 again. 20 will say, please count for my left subtree and count for my right subtree. And which one is the maximum? Take that and add 1. That is the height of that tree up to my level. And it will return that value to it. Okay. Again, it will come to 25. So 25 will say that please check for my left subtree, check for my right subtree, and which one is the maximum? Take that and add 1 and return it to 20. And 20 will keep on doing this. Okay. Let me quickly write the code for it so that you can get it easily. So let's say if I'm saying, let me remove search function here. Let's say b dot height. I cannot use root here. So again, I'm going to create a function b dot height. Let's say I'm going to print height of this tree is, let's say I'm going to create a function again where I can pass my root, where I can, sorry, it will be, let's say name it height1, or let's name it something, does not matter. So let me pass my root through it. It is height1. Let me print my endl here. Okay, so let's quickly see how the it will look like. It will be int type because it will return an int address, int variable. So int height, 1, it will take the tree node root and it will check. It will first check. Let's say intl is equal to intl is equal to sorry h height 1, and it will check for roots left. Okay, int r is equal to height right. Okay, and I'm saying return whatever is the maximum from l plus r, l comma r plus 1. Okay, and if root is equal to null, if it is not having anything, means if 50's left is not having anything, 50's right is not having anything, it is going to say that it is going to return 0 here, it is going to return 0 here. So it is saying 0 plus 0, from 0 and 0 maximum is 0. So 0 plus 1, the 50 will return to 25 that I am having height 1 only. Okay, so I'm going to write if root is equal to null, in that case return 0. Okay, let's quickly run this. Let's see whether we are getting the correct height of our tree or not. Okay, so p dot height, why we are getting, okay, we have written v dot height. I should be writing void height here. Okay, we are getting height of the tree is 5. Let's see whether we are is it right or not. Let's quickly design our tree. Let's see the output is correct or not. Let's make a clear tree again, whatever we are inserting. Using that, the 10 will be inserted here. 5 will go into its left part, that is 5. 25 will 225 will go into its right part, 225. 100 will go into its left part, that is 100. 8 will go into its right part, that is 8 here. 20 will go into its left part, that is 20. 25 will again go into its right part. Okay, I'm quickly creating a tree for BST format. 25, let's make it 25. 30, again 30 will be added. 30 will go into its, sorry, into its right part. 25's right, that is 30. Okay, again we have deleted something here now. Let's quickly see what we have deleted. We have deleted 10 and 8. Let's quickly remove this. Let's see what should be the height of our tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, 2, 4, 6. Yes, I was confused. Yes, it is 6 here. Okay, it means we are getting the correct output. Is it fine for everyone? Why we are getting the 6? Height of the tree is 6. It is not 7, it is 6. Okay, so do anybody is having any problem with the recursive code? So recursion makes the code for easy. If we start thinking in the form of recursion, it will be very easy for us to code, and the code will be shorter as well. Okay. So try to do every question. Try to think in the recursion. It will be shorter and it will be easy for you as well. Okay. Okay. I was asking a question. What is the difference between the height and depth? My height or height of this tree is. Can somebody explain, or do I need to do it myself? Okay. Let's say I'm asking about what is the difference between height and depth of a tree. Do, do you ever heard about the depth of a tree? Okay, let me quickly do it for myself. It's look like number of levels between last node and the root node. Look like number of levels between last node and the root node. Yes, you can say that. Okay, let me quickly explain it again in depth. Okay, let's say here if I'm talking about this root node, the here it will the height of this tree will be 6. Okay, the height of this tree will be 6, and the depth of this tree will be here, it will be 0. Why? For this node, because we have not gone from up to down here. We have not gone from anywhere. Okay. Let's say here my height of this tree is 5 and here my depth is 1. It means height comes from down to up and depth comes from up to down. Let's say we have come up to from 0 to 1. We have came here and here our height of this tree will be 4 and the depth will be 2. Okay. Is it clear for everyone now? It's a simple concept. Height you go from down to up and for depth you go from up to down.